Please allow me to proclaim I gave life to you. Thus my objective here is plain: to pass some wisdom to you. So, be modest and humane. May your path be true. Be courageous, stake your claim, yet give others their due. Treat your children just the same. We're all imperfect, me and you. Let mistakes remain, but may their number be few. Sometimes clouds lead to rain. That's okay. Just see the skies as blue. Treat your children just the same. We're all imperfect, me and you. You love them just the same, and they will also love you. Life is lemons or champagne. Actually the same, these two. Don't be cruel or too vain. Remember, your sons and daughters watching you. In time, respect the chain. Teach sons and daughters what you knew. They will certainly complain. Well, yeah, it's a circle, you did too. Treat your children just the same. We're all imperfect, me and you. You love them just the same, and guess what? They will also love you, love you.